Start. Miss O does not know this, but she has created an incredible moment of serendipity because an earlier version of this poem was performed in a show called The City Limits in 2011, which Sharda was part of, and I did this poem with somebody called Pani Heikel. So I can't believe how many years on it's coming to pass. This is called Suara. It's a little love letter to the Malay language. I shall take some liberties with the poem since I've got some movement. Okay, here we go. Suara. This was not my mother's tongue. But I have learned you, hesitant, with the fluency of a man who understands a city. Only through streets he ambulates in routine. Streets he ambulates in routine. And so you speak to me in ciphers, in hymns of wishbones and restless soil, in a desire for a different estate. You will always be my foreign lover. I can never know the nuances of your body. Your body. Your body. All attempts at poetry take me into brick and mortar. Wrestled moments of understanding and conversation turns into spitfire and naked jolts of laughter. I fish for hours at estuaries to catch a glimpse of you, listen to your heart beating beneath highways, kiss your lips on reclaimed land. Left to the custom of parades, your words resonate and whisper, bartered through markets and football stadiums, under the shadow of our national tongue. Politic, president, parliament. 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 And the same word is used for voice and vote. Suara. We are alone, singing our anthem in a forgotten language, stumbling like children through these words for progress.
Thank you, Marc. Thank you, Sharda. We've come to the end of tonight's event. This is the end of Device Drama. It's been a wonderful journey as you end your first year and move on into the second and consequently the third. Please join me to thank the guests once again. Sharda, Marc. And thank you to everyone who's here tonight. I mean, it's Friday night. It's time to go out on a date, right? I guess now after this. It's been incredible, guys. So I just wanted to say, please go and buy Marc Nair's book after this, and go starstruck. But I'd like to invite the first years first before you run off and hug and get presents from your parents right now, to just come on stage for a group photo with our guests, and then after that we will dismiss you and